Welcome to Compare to Win. The best grand opening sign is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your business. It's the first impression, the beacon that draws customers in, and the announcement of a new beginning. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of grand opening signs, exploring what makes them effective, and helping you choose the perfect one to make your grand opening a resounding success. Number 5. Grand opening banner, 3 by 10 feet. Are you ready to celebrate a new beginning? This banner is perfect for announcing your grand opening. It's designed to catch everyone's eye. Made from high-quality Oxford cloth, it's resistant to wear and tear. You can wash it and it dries quickly, plus it's waterproof. This banner is built to last. The banner measures 3 by 10 feet, making it highly visible. It comes with a 13-foot rope for easy hanging. You can hang it almost anywhere. Featuring bright colors and fun patterns, this banner adds a celebratory touch. It includes balloons, stars, and a megaphone. It will make your opening even more special. Use it to decorate your store or event space. Hang it under your store sign or in front of a railing. It creates a festive atmosphere for any grand opening. What we like. This banner is made of durable Oxford cloth, ensuring it can withstand the elements and last for a long time. Its cute and festive design, complete with balloons and stars, is sure to attract attention. If you're looking for a charming and durable banner to celebrate your grand opening, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Banner was perfect for my grand opening. It was easy to hang on my storefront and the size was perfect for my door opening. It was durable because it was windy that day. But it stayed in place for a few days. This was the prefect banner for the grand opening of my small boutique. It was bright and colorful, and easy to see from the street. Many visitors stopped by because the sign caught their eye. It came with a length of strong ribbon that I used to secure the corners of the banner to pull it taut so it didn't flap around in the wind. Clear printing, very visible from a distance. Number 4. TOPKING 24x12 LED all-day breakfast sign. This sign uses bright LED lights to illuminate the logo and text. It's designed to catch the eye and draw customers in. The sign has a dynamic display with motion. This feature makes it stand out and grabs attention. Built with sturdy materials, this sign is made to last. You can count on it for long-term use and reliable performance. It comes with chains for easy hanging. You can quickly display it in a prominent location. The sign is clearly visible even in sunlight. This ensures it has a great impact, day or night. What we like. This sign features bright LED illumination and a dynamic display that catches the eye. The durable construction ensures it will last. If you want a vibrant and eye-catching sign that will attract customers day and night, you should consider this one. What people say. The sign is very visible and easy to read. The sign is well made and durable. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching. Number 3. Grand opening banner, large store advertising sign. Are you looking for a way to announce your grand opening? This banner is perfect for attracting customers. It's a great way to let everyone know about your new business. This large sign is designed to grab attention. It's ideal for any store looking to increase visibility. This will help you stand out from the competition. Whether you own a business, restaurant, or shop, this flag is a must-have. It's a simple yet effective way to draw in customers. This is a great investment for any business owner. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. It can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring it remains visible. This is a reliable choice for outdoor advertising. Setting up this banner is quick and easy. You can have it displayed in no time. This saves you time and effort. What we like. This large banner is designed to be highly visible and make a statement. Its durable material ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you need a simple, yet effective way to announce your grand opening, this banner is a great option. What people say. The sign is very visible and easy to read. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching. The sign is made of durable materials. Number 2. 2-pack outdoor yard signs with metal stakes. Announcing the grand opening. These double-sided yard signs are perfect for attracting attention. They are vibrant and eye-catching. Get 2 signs in 1 pack. This allows you to place them in multiple locations. It's a great value for your advertising needs. The signs are double-sided, maximizing visibility. This means twice the exposure for your message. It ensures that it can be seen from any direction. Each sign comes with sturdy metal ground stakes. This makes it easy to install them in your yard. They are durable and will keep the signs secure. The signs are printed in full color for a professional look. This makes the graphics pop and grab attention. It is designed to make a lasting impression. These signs are a generous 24 by 18 inches. This size ensures that your message is easily seen. It's the perfect size for maximum impact. What we like. These double-sided yard signs are perfect for outdoor use, ensuring your message is seen from all directions. The easy setup with metal ground stakes makes it convenient to display. If you have a storefront with outdoor space and want maximum visibility, these signs are ideal. What people say. Used for the opening of my lobster roll shop. Flimsy. Number 1. Advertising Feather Flag Kit, Red. Introducing the Advertising Feather Flag Kit. This kit is perfect for grand openings and special events. It's designed to grab attention and draw customers in. This complete kit includes a 12-foot feather flag, a 15-feet telescopic flagpole, and a ground stake. It's everything you need for easy setup and immediate advertising. The bright red color makes this flag highly visible, even from a distance. People on the highway or at busy intersections will easily spot it. This is a cost-effective way to advertise your business. The flag offers great value, with an average lifespan that makes it a smart investment. Use this banner to get your business noticed. Place it on the sidewalk or at the entrance of a shopping center to attract more customers. The flag is made with durable materials, including aluminum. It also features a mirror image on the back, ensuring maximum visibility. What we like. This advertising kit includes everything you need for a complete setup, including a flag, pole, and ground stake. The bright colors make it easily visible from a distance. If you're on a budget and want a highly visible advertising solution, this feather banner is the way to go. What people say. The sign is very visible and easy to read. The sign is sturdy and well made. The lights are bright and eye-catching. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.